Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Diana Edith Cuellar Bustos, and a student how the main station I will the Arauca. Today question whether technology affects the environment. I will say the following. I think that technology does refers the requested on the fourth period because generator las the mouse the ways that is harmful to the environment. An example that these are the larger amount of pollutant gases that expose into the atmosphere. We only see how the people cast down trees and set the forest on fire, the order to create urbanization to increase the human population. We die, we lance one day the planets now rudens and reset the level of global warming. And cursory dire important the organization what's in on promote Taria's whereby education on the occasion and care for demand. I consider very important and implement these strategies now that we are still on train and we can go our planets so that your children and avoid the inconsistent with the pollution. The our government must show their policies to chase consciousness about the importance body environment without neglecting progress.